Hello guys, welcome to my AIRSOFT channel. Today I'm using my fully upgraded Tokyo Marui M40A5 and it was fully upgraded, and if you want to see the upgrade parts you can see it in the video description below. And actually today I'm gonna show you what AIRSOFT looks like in slow motion. In this moment my team told me that there's an enemy shooting at our direction. So I decided to move and find that enemy. After I killed the last guy, I decided to move towards the enemy lines. In this moment, I tried to rush and crawl to the enemy base, but I didn't realize that there's still an enemy hiding up in their base. And finally, I got killed. The new round has just started. As you can see in this moment, I tried to run and find the best hiding spot in the field, and I will wait for the enemy. After I killed the last guy, I found another enemy in front of me, but I missed my first shot, and he spotted me. In this situation, I know that there is still one enemy in front of me, and he was shooting into my direction, so I decided to move to the tower inside the field, and he didn't realize that I already moved. Finally, I found that enemy, and he didn't spotted me, so I decided to shoot him, but as you can see, I just hit his gun, so it doesn't count as a kill. So in this situation, my teammates report me that there's one enemy left inside the field, so I decided to rush to the enemy base and find that last enemy. And finally, I found him. So this is the final of my video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.